Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex tools into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to create a new project in Jira 2025. Jira is an essential project management tool for teams, and knowing how to set up a new project can streamline your workflow. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this quick guide will get you started in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you don't have one, head over to the Atlassian website and sign up. It's free for basic use. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the Projects icon in the left-hand sidebar. This is your hub for all project-related activities. Now, let's create that new project. Click on the Create Project button, usually found at the top right of the Projects page. You'll be prompted to choose a project type. For 2025, Jira offers options like company-managed or team-managed projects. If you're working in a larger organization, go with company-managed for more control. Otherwise, team-managed is great for smaller groups. Next, fill in the essential details. Start with a project name. Make it descriptive so everyone knows what it's about. Then, add a project key, which is a short code like project, for easy reference. Don't forget to include a brief description to outline the project's goals. You can also select a template based on your needs, such as Scrum for agile development or Kanban for task tracking. After that, review the permissions and settings. Decide who can access the project and what roles they have, like admin or member. Once everything looks good, hit the Create button at the bottom. Jira will set up your project, and you'll be redirected to its page. Congratulations! You've just created a new project in Jira. Take a moment to explore the dashboard, add issues, and invite team members. If you run into any hiccups, check the Jira Help Center or drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tutorials. See you in the next one.